Staying hydrated is very important as our bodies are made up of about 60% water. Research suggests that an adult person should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, and drinking adequate amount of water is important to maintain energy levels and proper brain functioning in the body. So overall, it is a well-known fact that drinking adequate amounts of water is required to maintain various bodily functions and remain healthy. Although most of us are aware of these facts, we don't take initiatives to ensure that we drink adequate amounts of water every day, and so many of us don't drink enough water. This ultimately results in some health issues. I also had a problem with just skipping on water intake, but soon I realized it and corrected it. Hey, busy bees! In today's video, I am going to share some of the ideas that I use to increase my water intake. You can also use some of these ideas to make yourself drink more water. My first idea is make it first thing in the morning. Make it a habit of drinking water as the first thing in the morning. Best thing is to have lukewarm water in the morning, as it not only helps you hydrate your body, but it will also help you detoxify your body. I drink at least 1 to 2 glasses of water empty stomach in the morning. The second idea is keep a glass of water or bottle or water bottle on your work desk. This is very important to always have a glass of water or a bottle filled with water on your work desk and sip on it whole day while working. We spend most of our day working and generally skip on water as we don't get up from our places. Sitting for prolonged hours at one place itself is not a good idea, and if you are also skipping water is absolutely a bad idea. So you should try to move around after every hour and sip water every day. Then coming to the third idea, which is take challenges for drinking water. Then you can take some challenges of drinking water. For example, 9 glasses of water in a day, and then treat yourself when you achieve your target. Also, you can ask your sibling or your spouse to, and then you can encourage them to drink more water with you. Then coming to the fourth idea, which is drink water half an hour before meals. So drinking a glass of water half an hour before meals not only keeps your water levels maintained, but it will also help you avoid overeating. So ultimately, it will help you in your weight loss goals. Then likewise, also drink water only about 30 to 45 minutes after meals. So do not drink water immediately after having a meal. Instead, you can have it after about 30 to 45 minutes. This helps you in early digestion, because when you drink water just after a meal, it will ultimately dilutes the digestive enzymes inside the body, and this will slows the digestion process. Then coming to the sixth idea, which is purchase a steel water bottle and then take it with you wherever you go. So it is a good idea to buy a steel water bottle. You can also use a good quality plastic water bottle. I mostly prefer steel bottles over plastic. And then you can take your bottle wherever you go. Whenever you step out from your home, you can have your water bottle with you, and then you can make sure that you are sipping water every hour. Then coming to the last idea, which is link your water drinking activity with some other activities that you do most often. So this can be a very good idea to remind yourself of drinking water. So for example, you have a habit of checking your phone every now and then. So you can make sure, you can make it a habit that whenever you check your phone, you have to drink water. So this will also help you drink more water. So these were some of the ideas that I have incorporated in my daily life to make myself drink more water. You can also use some of these ideas and make sure that you drink enough water every day. So we'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Please subscribe.